Hey, welcome back. If you have ever thought about building a pool, I'm getting ready to build another one. This will be my third pool to build, and I'm really looking forward to it. We are in Flower Mound, and we met with the pool company probably 2 weeks ago. We've gone back and forth on some design styles with the overhang and the pergola, which I'll take you outside and show you here next. We haven't started any of the dig process yet. We're still waiting on finalization of the things that we want to do as far as the covering goes. And then we have to permit with the city. We live in an HOA in Flower Mound, so we also have to get that passed by the HOA board as well. But this is pretty interesting. This is the first phase. This will be part one. You kind of get an idea of the steps as we go along, and I'll take you when we get to the dig phase, when we get to the gunite phase, and as many different things as we can come across. And if you have any questions, send it in the comments and let me know, and let's go take a look outside. All right, so this is our patio area. This is all going to come out, including that pretty crepe myrtle tree there, which I'm going to be sad to lose. But the build line is up against the house, right? So they're going to go out a little bit more. So they have two ways to get in, but I'm going to take you to the other side where they're going to come in. So all of this patio area is going to go away. Now, the original overhang was going to have up against this roof and then extend with an arch over there. Here's the problem. It's not flat, and I'll take you over here so you can kind of get a better view. There's kind of a bump out. Now, my neighbor has an overhang, but theirs is on the flat part. We want it to be able to cover most of it, so it's not going to work with the design that they've had. So we're looking at possibly doing a freestanding pergola. You see the gutters there. We can leave the gutters in place and put them in downspouts and go underneath the ground. Now, our build line, like I said, was to the edge of the house, but they're planning on probably going out another 7 feet, which is probably where the edge, 4 feet, which is probably the edge where those bushes are. Now, the backyard that we're building this in, which is mine, is relatively flat. They believe they're only going to need to put 2 piers. There is kind of a drop off here, but it's not major. It's not a big problem. Where those red chairs and that grill are, and all that landscaping behind is going to come out. We're going to change it out with travertine stone. That bush is going to come out. It's going to go around the corner. My little shed's going to get to stay, which is awesome. We're possibly looking at putting a door over there. That's where the window is, where a bathroom is. Now, here's what I wanted to show you. The lines, we had the utility company come out the other day and mark the lines. So we have a gas line in this neighborhood, gas, electric, and water, obviously. And these are all the different lines. They're going to have to take out 1, 2, 3 panels plus that gate to get around this air conditioning unit so that they can bring in a bobcat. That little garden's going to come out, unfortunately, but we'll move all that stuff. I'm not throwing any of this stuff away. And then, as you can see, they kind of mark this area all the way out to the street. It's going to unfortunately have to go partially into the neighbor's yard, but when they're all said and done, we will be done. They'll replace all the sod, and the fence will be back to new. And this is part one of this. My name is Chris. I'm glad that you're joining me. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments. We'll see you on part 2.